I listen to Audible almost every day. I'm going to show you 3 tips to really get the most of this fantastic app. So on the screen there's a mirror of my phone. This is the home screen. Now you've got some book that you'll be listening to. Almost as important as the play button, I'd say, is this speed. Now you can change the playback speed and you can adjust it depending on the particular person who's narrating. Second is the timer. You can simply click here and then after the time runs out, it'll stop. And this is great if you're, say, listening to the book whilst going to sleep. And if you don't fall asleep, you can certainly put it on again. The third tip is this listen log, and it's really good for a massive book like this, because you can go back to virtually any time and think, where was I then? So somebody comes to your door, no problem.